Gymmy Jamm, going back for calisthenics day, which we skipped last week. So it's going to feel like it's new, maybe. I don't know, but the last couple of visits were not top-notch. You know, I did not feel strong. I did not feel energetic. But, you know, we went through it anyway, because that's what you do. Because I have that experience, right? Even if I feel like blah, I feel better, even if it's only 25% better going to the gym than not going to the gym. In fact, I probably feel 10 to 15% worse. And then on top of that, there's the, yeah, I could have made it to the gym, man. There's been many incidents like that. So now I know, you know, unless I cannot physically pull myself up off of the sofa or the floor, then I'm going to the gym, even if it's just to step in there and put the stick on my back and twist. So today we're walking down with the ankle weights on, because ankle weights are part of our calisthenics. We do mostly body weight. We have a few cable machines for abs and stuff like that, but the majority is jumping around aerobically, doing pull-ups, doing leg lifts, doing crunches, practicing those seemingly impossible holds and balance, and attempting to hang upside down to get used to that, because that will be a beneficial skill when it comes to body weight exercises. So there's the plan. We'll have the report coming up. But first, how are you doing with the push-ups challenge? You know, I noticed, or I imagine that every day somebody in the world wants to get in better condition, into better shape, for whatever reason, right? Maybe they just want to be stronger, and they don't know where to start. Well, I think the best place to start is push-ups. Push-ups works arms, chest, back, and abs. And if you count getting down and standing up, works your legs too. So here's a little bit of motivation for you. We'll check with you on the flip. For those of you who have never done push-ups before, or haven't done them in a very long time, and you still want to join the push-ups challenge, here's a secret. You don't really have to do them every day. That's the top level of the challenge. Every day for 10 weeks. If you're in that kind of condition, then go for it. If not, then go every other day. Try to do more days a week than not. So 4 days a week, okay? Also, you don't have to be super strict about the push-ups. You can do them on your knees. You can do half push-ups. You can do quarter push-ups. The idea is to get the you inside of you used to the weight of your body. That's what you're working against. You're working against your body weight. And when you put your knees on the floor, it lessens the body weight. So you work into full body weight. You work into the full push-up, where your arms are all the way back, your chest is on the floor, and you're pushing all the way up. You could just do them halfway, just pumps. This is not about machismo or any kind of challenge against anybody else, right? It's a personal challenge. It's a challenge against yourself. do better every day. Sometimes you don't do better every day, but you keep at it. You could do these push-ups leaning up against the wall if you wanted to. You do that for 3 or 4 weeks, and then maybe you're ready to try push-ups on your knees or something like that. So it's all up to you. You design it, right? This is just a layout. You know, the 10 weeks is just a layout. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm available, email, comments, Telegram chat, or of course the MeWe group if you have questions. We boosted it up a little bit today. It was all calisthenics. It was almost all body weight. So that required more energy than actual strength, because you know, how heavy can the body be? So pull-ups, leg lifts, all that kind of stuff, plus an hour of running in place, jumping around, you know, the kind of stuff that you get in an aerobics class. Push-ups, leg stretches. You get what I mean. And if you don't, then you should take a group fitness class, man. I could go on and on about those, but I won't. Suffice to say, I feel like on the comeback trail, just in time for the next workout, which will be upper body, lifting weights, as far as I can see into that future. Anyway, thanks again, as always, for joining me. See you next workout.